Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to check a couple of more interesting functions which are available inside our JSTL tags. And these are two lowercase, two uppercase, index of, replace, substring, substring before and substring after. Now these functions are nothing but functions which are derived from Java string functions, and these functions work on definitely strings. Now friends, these are very easy to understand, and in order to save some time I have already created the examples for all of these functions. Now what are functions? Functions and methods are one and the same. Alright, now moving forward, first of all, two uppercase will definitely convert the string to uppercase. Two lowercase will definitely convert the text into the lowercase, which is straightforward. Then comes the index of function. Now first of all we will be passing on the string and then the specific character, and this function will return the exact function. Now take a note of it. A string is a character array and array index starts with 0. So when it comes to u, in the case of study easy, the index would be 2. Alright, so it starts with 0, then 1, then 2. So in the third position we have u, which has the index of 2. Alright, then comes replace. As the name suggests, we will pass on three parameters. Firstly the string, then we have the segment of the string, and then the replacement. So in this case, in place of studyeasy.org, study easy would be replaced with super easy. Then we have the substring. Substring again has three parameters. Firstly the string, then we have the starting index, then the ending index. In here the starting index is 2, so the substring will start with index 2, which is nothing but u, and end with index 5, which is nothing but y. So the substring would be udy. Then finally we have the substring before and substring after. Substring before, as the name suggests, will give us the substring before the segment easy, which is study. Likewise, substring after will give us the segment which is after the segment easy, which is .org. So these are very simple string related functions, very simple, easy to understand, easy to use. Let us quickly try to see the output. Here is the output, and these are, let me walk you through. Firstly, uppercase. So here is the uppercase studyeasy.org, then lowercase study easy. So the next output is study easy all lowercase. Then we have the index of u, which is nothing but 2, as we have already discussed. Index starts with 0. Then replacing the segment study easy with super easy. So in here it is showing us supereasy.org, which is again okay, cool. Then substring starting with index 2 and ending with index 5, which gives us substring udy, which is the output. Then we have substring before easy, which is a study, perfect, and then substring after easy, which is .org. Here we go. So these are the standard output from these functions, and definitely these are useful string functions which we can use in our program. I hope you guys understood the overall concept. Do try to experiment and try to check all of these functions. These will definitely help. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.